Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Machine Learn, where we talk about machine learning. So in the previous video we have seen how to set up the development environment for machine learning. Now in this video we are going to see how we can program in Jupyter Notebook. But first we will see an introduction of Jupyter Notebook, that how we can use it. Let's start. Now in search option, search Anaconda prompt and then hit enter. So the prompt will appear. Here we have to browse to our project directory. So we have to type cd desktop slash project underscore one, where we have created our project. So by clicking it, we will be directed to our project directory. Now we have to copy this path and we have to activate conda. So to activate conda we have to type conda activate, then we have to paste the path and write /env for the environment, and we have to click enter. So the base is being changed to our project environment. Now we have to type Jupyter Notebook to open our Jupyter Notebook. So our Jupyter Notebook is been opened. So there are two Python file which is been created earlier. So let me delete this file. So now we can see a new tab here. After clicking on new tab, click on Python 3. When you click on it, it will open the new Python tab which is called notebook, and here this is called cell where we write the code. And if we drop down it, we will see markdown. So markdown is basically used to write the comment like hashtag first notebook, and we have to click on escape and M to make it markdown. Its color change to blue. Then we have to hit shift plus enter to make that comment. So you can see the comment first notebook there, and this button is used to save the project. So to rename it, you can click on the untitled, and here you can give the new name, which whatever name you want, and rename it. So you can see it is been renamed to my notebook. Now you can see the local host where it is running. So it is running on localhost 8888. Now in home directory you can see that untitled is been renamed to my notebook. There is a running tab where you can see my notebook is running. To shut down it, you can click on the shutdown button and the notebook will be disappeared from here. It means the notebook is no longer running. Now you can see the upload button. To clicking on it, we can browse from our computer, and like if you select a file and click on it, it will tell you to upload it. When you click on upload, the file has been moved here in your project directly. Now you can see in your project underscore one folder the ABC file is been transferred. So it's just like copy and pasting thing, nothing more than that. Now to deactivate this conda, we have to click Ctrl plus C to shut it down. When we press Ctrl and C, it will shut down. And now we have to write a command, that is conda deactivate. When we write this and click enter, so you can see our project environment is changed to the base environment. It means your project has been successfully deactivated. Now you can close this window. Okay guys, so in next video we will see about pandas and how to use panda. Okay, till then, goodbye and keep learning.
Familiar, you're familiar.